My name is Alexander Seyf. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Autolomous. We are in a business of digitalization, which is really connects people more efficiently. And given that part has been accepted within the industry, we know that we need to do things differently. We need to bring down the cost, and it's not going to happen by doing everything manually. So we need to expand, both scaling out and scaling up. And sheer fact that we have the digital as a tool of connection, it breaks a lot of silos and encourages people to collaborate with each other. You have more harmonious way of have ubiquitous kind of information crossover by connecting people. And that really encourages me because, years ago when I started going to these events, people talking about, I need a lot of people, I need a lot of facilities. We're not talking about the digital automation, harnessing the technology, but now it's a sheer fact that we need to have it. How we can have it is a little bit debate, but we have accepted that. We see also modernization on equipments and devices, which needs to have digital to embrace that evolution. And also we see closer connection between patients, physicians, academics, and the rest of the industry, which is really good. It's very encouraging. I mean, the whole thing about collaboration is not just focusing on what I need to protect, but what have I learned that I can share with others. So the industry as in general cannot make the same mistake again, and we can learn from each other. And that's not the IP. The IP is the one that I keep for myself and I make a profit of it, but anything else, why not sharing it? We had a very good week this week. It's both in terms of collaboration, but also the spirit of the industry is getting more collaborative, people thinking more positive than last year. So I think, we are seeing the tunnel and the light at the end of the tunnel, which is really good. People to see the progress, because the progress is not just from the scientific perspective, but also bring that closer to reality by looking at the payer model, by looking at collaboration, by looking at how we can make it more accessible. And the only way for us to do it accessible, we need to really work together to harness the knowledge we have gained and make things more efficient. And I've seen good vibe of that this year, more than last year.